back in the days, in the 1980s, before we had the Nintendo Switches and the Wiis and the handheld computers and the Ross and Rachel with their on again, off again, will they, won't they nonsense, we had this. We had some fun toys like this Tomy Bring Along a Song, where you could do that. You could bring along your song. You didn't need a Walkman or a Walk CD or a Walk MP3 or the iPads or any of that. You just had this guy right here. What does it do? Well, let's show you. Rather than just look at the pictures in the catalog, we're going to show you exactly what this does because it's so fun. It comes with these tapes. It comes with these records. Let's wind it up. So it's got the little handle as though we're a reel. And what it does is it winds up. There we go. It winds up, it rotates the disc on this thing, and underneath are little pins. And I'll show you that in a moment. Once this winds down, and you can replace it out. You can see those little pins right there, and each is tuned. Whoop, we're throwing it all over the place. As it pings each of those tunes, it plays the music, and you can see we've got each one of these. So that was Pop Goes the Weasel, because the weasel goes pop. Let's see what this one does. Some Frère Jacques. There you go. Pretty fun. What's this one? Where, oh, where has my little dog gone? And before your farming games on the face tubes and the my books, we had Farmer in the Dell. Good wholesome music about farmers marrying cheese or whatever's going on in that song. And then finally, another one of the Pop Goes the Weasel. Why? Just to make sure that that first one is doing its job. So there you have it. If you're tired of your Xbox and your PS7, you can head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com where you can bid on this and so many other fun items from this era, from previous eras, from the 80s, 90s, whenever. All you have to do is leave your pre-bids right now on your phone or on your computer, or you can join us live on auction day. Whichever way you choose to do it, we will see you at the auction.